Hello guys, welcome to the first session of the API.AI tutorials for the beginner. In this session we will learn about what is AI and the bots. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI is a study of the intelligent agents, which include any devices that perceives its environment and take the action that maximize the chance of the success at the some goal. AI is intelligence exhibited by the machine rather than the humans. Nowadays, AI is used in the various type of applications such as business, healthcare, education, finance, law, and the manufacturing. AI research includes the reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning, and the natural language processing for the communication and the ability to move and manipulate the objects. Bots. Bots are one kind of the AI. Bot is a software application that run automated tasks or the script over the internet. Typically, bots perform the tasks that are both simple and repetitive at a much higher rate that would be possible for the human alone. Some bots communicate with the other user on the internet-based service via the instant message or the internet relay chat, or another web interface such as a Facebook bot and Twitter bot, which are known as the chatter bot. Nowadays, chatbots are the part of the virtual assistants such as Google Assistant and the Cortana. Such a program are often designed to convincingly simulate how the human would behave as a conversational partner, thereby passing the turning test. I know it's really boring to learn and the understood only theoretical concept of the something. We will create the API.AI account in the next session and dig our hand to create a bot in the third session. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.